Just ain't right. My bad, bro. My bad. My bad. Oh shit, we hit 21,400. Marco, Dan Emmon. Dan Emmons, man. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to stay on for, man. I am fucking shot. What up? What up? Absolutely shot. What am I doing? What am I looking for? Oh yeah, I gotta do that too. Coach Calvin. What's going on, guys? What did I miss? Just the market just keeps going up and making new all-time highs every other fucking minute. Is that what we're doing right now? Is that what we're looking at? Yeah, that's not fun to trade for me. I can tell you that much. Not my, not my cup of tea. You know. I mean, people who like to, trade the trend. Um, that's like right up their alley because you know they can. They just get in the direction that it's going and just ride that shit. I'm not. The trend is not my friend. Not yet, at least. All right, let's turn this fucking screen on. Coral Sky, what's up? What's going on? You don't want to see my fucking ugly face, so let me put myself in the corner. Nobody puts baby in the corner. There's a log. I literally have not traded anything yet. See, everything's at zero. Still have all my all 10 of my funded accounts, although this one's fucked. So that sucks. Still have it though. It's got plenty of drawdown available. I just fucked it up really bad at the end of the day yesterday. I haven't traded my Take Profit Trader account. I haven't traded my Funded Futures accounts. I literally, first of all, I didn't like the way the market was moving when I was around, and I basically had time to upload a video. That's all I had time to do after the market closed. I had to work out. I didn't even have time to go to the gym, but I worked out in my garage. I was here in my garage working out next to my Lambo LS 430. Let me close this door. And then my son had a soccer game. He had a 6 o'clock soccer game, and it was the first game of the season with this club team. He started playing with a few months ago. He tried out for the club team. He made the team. And they played a couple of tournaments together, or they played one tournament together, but they haven't played any official games yet. And they just played their first official game, like a season game. And it was at 6. Game time was at 6, which meant we had to be there at 5:15. And I don't know if you've ever driven, if any of you live in major metropolitan areas, but anytime after 3 o'clock is fucking really bad to drive across a major metropolitan area. That's what we had to do. So it took us, I don't even know. It took us almost an hour to get there, and it's like a 25-minute ride when there's no traffic. The fucked up part is there was like, there were 4 accidents that was slowing everything down. It was like 3, right, one after the other. It was so fucking bad. So we had his game, and then I wanted it. I usually go hitting with my guys I play ball with, at the cages at 8 o'clock on Tuesdays and Fridays. Sinful, what up? What up, Mikey Bowser? Eric J, Rise and Shine. Yeah, fucking shot. So like literally, we didn't get out of there, and they played a full length game. I mean, we were there for his game was we didn't get out of there until like a quarter to 8, 10 to 8. But he scored a fucking sick goal, a sick fucking goal. Talk about making your presence felt. They were trailing 1-0. I missed the first goal because I was uploading a video from my fucking car from the truck. I brought my laptop with me, posted a video, and then they got scored on some bullshit goal. He was telling me I didn't see it, but he said it was the biggest fucking joke of a goal. And then he fucking in the first half, he didn't even start. He came in and because they got a lot of kids on the team, so he's in a rotation, but he didn't start. He was playing right wing, and he had the ball in the fucking corner, like out almost just about outside of the box. And he fucking took a shot. First of all, he shook off, they passed him the ball, defenders on him, tried to take the ball from him. He basically shook the fucking defender off like it was like a fly. The defender fucking fell, like slipped and fell. And then he had the ball and took this fucking shot, hit the fucking crossbar. You ever see the shots where like it's coming? It was from this angle, and it came and it hit the crossbar and went and bounced straight, like the bottom of the crossbar, and bounced straight down over the goal line. Like the goalie had no fucking chance. And that's how that's how his goal was. And I was fucking screaming. I was like, yeah, that a boy, nice fucking shot. Screaming at the fucking soccer field. What a shot. What a fucking shot. So it was dope. And then we went right to the batting cages after that. He came with me. Got out of there at I had to leave a little bit before 9 to pick up my other son from drums. And then this girl he's working with at his new job, like they were on like a date to go work out at the gym together. She works out at the same gym that we go to. But the problem was he couldn't what up, Hawk? Yeah, he's fucking good. He doesn't have like the craziest ball skills, but his fucking foot is insane. And he almost scored another goal with his left foot in the second half. Made 2 great passes. He set up what should have been 2 fucking easy goals for his teammates, and they couldn't get the job done. At least the second time, the kid put a good shot on the goal, and the goalie made a nice save. Here we are making new fucking highs. Jesus. I hate this shit. I can't. This is the type of shit I can't trade. I don't like trading this shit. I'm glad I fucking missed this. So the problem with his little gym date with the girl that he's working with, is he's my VIP guest at the gym. He doesn't have his own membership, so he can't go without me. So I had to fucking go with him to the gym. I already worked out in the garage. So I did another workout, pretending like I didn't know the kid. Gave him his space to hang out with his chick. And then I fucking did a workout, went in the sauna, and the sauna is absolutely fucking draining. It's so good for you, but it drains the shit out of me. And when I got home, I finally ate dinner. I didn't get home till like almost 11 o'clock. Finally ate dinner. He came home, had to wait for him to eat, clean up, and I fucking passed out on the couch. I didn't even take a shower yet. I took a shower right before I hopped on it. I passed out in my fucking dried up, sweaty sauna fucking shit. Tamimi, traders each. Yeah, exactly. Traders each. It's exactly what I'm doing. Fucking people told me to walk away. They told me to walk away from this. They told me to walk away from $1,745. Look at that. They told me to walk away from this shit. Imagine I walked away. Imagine out of frustration, I just said, you know what? Fuck Apex. Fuck them. You guys were right. Fuck them. Not everybody, but some people was just like, just don't even waste your time with them. Don't waste your fucking time with them. Why? So I could miss out on fucking $1,745? Glad I didn't listen. Let's see if the money hit my bank account already. Probably did. What time is it? Almost 6 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast. I'm going to log in right now and check. Hold on. I want to look right now. Well, not Bank of America. Fuck them. Fuck them. Let's see. Let's see. There it is. Oh, yeah. Who the fuck's buying shit from Hot Topic with my debit card? Motherfucker. I mean, I know who it is. Look at this. Amazon. What is this shit? Interesting. Interesting. I'm just seeing what's going on in my fucking bank account. I'm like, what the fuck is this shit? I got to blur out all the OnlyFans, guys. All my OnlyFans purchases. Hold on a second. Taking a screenshot right now. It's not like I could take a trade with this fucking price action. So I might as well just fuck around with other shit. All right, cool. Boom. All right. I'll post it in the Discord. You know, some people say Apex is a complete, total fucking scam. Guess what? They're still in business and they're still paying people, unlike some prop firms. Ain't that right? Ain't that fucking right? Wow, and I love just fucking, I could be a little shit stirrer too. Shit stir, if you deal with shit stirrers, you got to fuck with them. You got to be a little shit stirrer too. So for a company that doesn't pay their traders, this is what I'm putting in the Discord. For a company that doesn't pay their traders, they sure pay fucking fast. Oh, you love to see it. Oh, man. I can't help myself, guys. I can't help myself. I'm sorry. I'm a dick. I can't help it. My apologies. Sorry, not sorry. There it is. Boom. Boom. They don't pay their traders yet. I just got fucking paid my second and third approved request under the new rules of 11. So I did get denied 8 times. But hey, you know, I was violating their new rules. They're fucking, you know, it's more of a challenge. It's fucking, you know, but hey, look, ma, they pay. There it is. You should just walk away, Jay. Just walk away. It's not worth your time. Jesus, we just keep going up. I fucking hate. I can't trade this. I don't like this shit, man. Hopefully when I go to sleep, and I wake up, we like dumped, and then I'll be able to look to the left a little bit. What up, D? Evan Cortez, Olivier. Did I say it right? Is it Olivier? Is the R silent? Let me know. I have a propensity to butcher people's names, but I do try to get it right. Sammy Roger, what up? Mikey. Mikey. Oh, shit. That sucks, bro. Would you try to go against the trend? The trend is your friend, they say. That sucks, Evan, man. I'm sorry that happened, man. I've been there. I had a rough fucking power hour. I was green everywhere. I actually had this account was green and I tried to fucking push it a little more and I fucked up. This account was over 5,000. And then 117 and 118 are the ones that I got paid on. And I lost $788 basically in that same tilt session. And I walked away, like I stopped trading those and I just kept trading and I fucked up by accident. I accidentally hedged, but whatever. It was an accident. I was having too much fun. Reggie, what up? Roger Adams, what's good? Elaine, you got paid by Apex 2Gs. I thought they don't pay their traders. Coach, chill out. What up? Some very prominent fucking person said they don't pay their traders. I mean, a lot of people are getting denied, but hey, there's another person who got paid for a prop firm who doesn't pay their traders. I've been seeing a lot of people getting paid, myself included. And it's not because I'm a YouTuber. I can tell you that much. You know who's not paying their traders? Fast Track. You know who else is having trouble paying their traders? Profit Trade. You know who's fucking rug pulling their traders and retroactively changing rules? You Profit. So you know who's not the only one changing rules to make it more challenging to get payouts? Apex is not the only one. Who else changed their rules? Top Step, Bull and Ox. You Profit changed their rules and fucked a bunch of people out of their payouts and then terminated those accounts that were in line for payouts. Yikes. What up, Renier? All right. Well, Evan, at least they were just evals, bro. Oh, I didn't see it, bro. I missed. I literally was sleeping on the couch for like an hour and a half. You were down $4,430, Bowser, on a 150K. Damn. And then you pass it in 3 days. That's a fucking great job by you. What up, Ned Baba? Toxic Sage, aka Ned Baba. AS is here. Asia Moons is here. And you know, I look. I'm not slobbing on Apex's knob. I'm just giving you guys the play-by-play. Gave you guys the play-by, I fucking, I got it off my chest, all of my frustration about all of these denied payouts. I got it off my chest. Right? The show goes on. So if I'm gonna cry and be salty about this shit, why shouldn't I celebrate these? Especially when it proved a bunch of people fucking wrong. Because that's always my favorite. People tell me to walk away. They said, I get it. You didn't have to agree with my decision to keep pushing and keep moving forward and keep trying, right? You didn't have to agree with it, and that's fine. But whoever did, you were wrong. That's all. Yeah. Chill out. Yeah. That's definitely something I wasn't doing. That will never fucking happen. Oh, nice. Cool, man. So it's Olivier without the R. I think that's what you were talking about getting right. How to say your name. You overloaded on this 90% off. Listen, Bowser, and look, I'm not saying you should run and grab accounts with Apex. I'm not saying, like, you guys could do whatever you want with your money, right? But, I got paid. I'm still not entirely clear on the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule, but hey, that's these three payout requests were clean. These 3 accounts were clean. So that's it, And this one's in line for another payout. 116, 113 got denied. That one's in line for another payout. I just got to get my days in. And 114 is in line for another payout. I got to get my days in. Where are they? What are they up to? 113, 114, and 116. 3,900, 3,600, 3,300. So I don't know, it doesn't mean I'm not going to get denied again, right? There's no guarantee I'm going to be approved every time. I might get denied. These might get denied. I don't remember. I can't tell you because I have so many accounts that I'm trading. My new approach has been pretty fucking good, I think, obviously, right? I'm not DCAing. I'm not adding into losers unless I already blow that 30% drawdown rule. You can't say Apex isn't fucking paying, but here it is. Here it is. Who made this? Anubis. That's fucking funny, bro. But look, there it is. Jay Stores, what up? Have I been paid by Take Profit Trader? Not yet. I'm hoping that this could be the account that I do get paid on. I got paid on my funded futures. I got 3 payouts from my funded futures. By the way, I have 2 days locked of $100 or more, which is exciting. Um, Looking to get a third day. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen today. Not saying I don't know if I'm going to fuck up my accounts. I just don't know. I don't know if I want to trade this shit. Look at this. Now we're at the point. This was the previous high. 340, 341, whatever that is right there. 340.75. We are fucking 60. We just went 73 points higher. How the fuck? There's nothing. I can't look to the left and say, okay, we got some candles here. We got some resistance and support. We got none of that now. There's nothing. There's nothing to fucking go by. So I need this to fucking come back down. I need this to fucking go back the other way and maybe fill this gap. Will I ride that all the way down? No, I'm probably going to miss it if it happens at all. We could go up to this fucking pivot point. We could go up another fucking, we could go up another 200 points. What do we have? We got fucking Jerome talking today. Well, let's see. We got Jerome talking today, Forex Factory. Let's see. Fucking douchebag Jerome's going to be talking. We got non-farm employment change for ADP, 8:15. Bunch of central bank fucking jerk-off speaking. Governor Bailey already spoke, I think. Yeah, governor for the Bank of England. You got the European Central Bank President Lagarde, or whatever the hell the fuck you say their name. Who gives a fuck? Fuck them. You got PMI. You got non-farm employment with ADP shit. You got PMI at 10 o'clock. And you got crude oil inventories today. What a busy fucking day. And then you got fucking Papa Powell speaking. This fucking jerk off going to be lying through his teeth. But the market's going to be moving. Is it just going to keep pumping up? Is all this shit just going to keep pushing it up? I'm afraid I'm going to wake up, right? I'm afraid I'm going to wake up and we're at fucking 21,600, 21,700. What I'm hoping for, and this isn't, I don't want anybody who's long to lose, but I'm hoping I wake up and we dropped back down to 21,200 or 21,000, 150 or some shit. Because then I could look to the left. I could look to the left here. I could look to the left here. And I'm like, okay, now I can maybe draw some lines, imaginary lines in my head, or even lines on the chart. Like, oh, here we go. At least drop, maybe we could drop down to the fucking orb. Something. I need something. I need something to work with. That's how I fucking trade. I need something to work with on the left. I heard Top Steps releasing 10 accounts. So, you know what's funny about that? Roger Adams, thank you. I appreciate it. What major rules? Listen, the biggest thing, and thank you for the support, man. Steve Hunter, what up? Why did I so many times? Because I kept violating their new rules. And half the time I didn't even know if I did. Elaine, Elaine, yeah. Well, I think that deal's over with. I don't even think there's a deal right now. But if I walk away, you'll send me all your FTT payouts, Mikey. And D, call me daddy. Oh man. So the biggest thing you gotta keep an eye out for. That's the other thing. I didn't even have time. I wanted to grab some of those accounts at 90% off. I didn't even have fucking time today to grab any. I didn't grab any. I wouldn't have minded grabbing like 4 or 5 at least. And I guess I could have done it on Monday, right? But I wasn't sure if I was going to grab more. And then I was like, fuck it, I'll grab some today. And then I had no time. I had absolutely no fucking time to grab any. By the time I was like ready to grab some, I was like, oh, sale's over. So that sucks. Maybe they'll, you know how they are. They're habitual sale extenders. So maybe, let me go to their website. Maybe they'll put the clock back on. But Elaine, the reason Elaine said that the deal wasn't even that good was because, yeah, you got 90% off on on the front end, but they raised the back end. They were doing this lifetime PA activation fee deal for $85 for like 3 or 4 months now. Since like June, they started that shit. When they first started, it was for the bigger accounts, for the 150, 250, and 350. That was the only accounts you got the $85 lifetime PA. They were, before the rule changes, they were pushing people into that. And those accounts were good. Those accounts were the right, like, if you were willing to grow the accounts, those were the better accounts to have because you had more drawdown. And then you would get to a payout and you would actually be able to build the account back up. Like, unlike me, who just would blow every account I got a payout on. But that's besides the point. And then in like August, I think in August, they expanded it, maybe end of July, early August, they expanded it to every account size. $85 lifetime PA activation fee for every fucking account size. Let me just put it on here just to rub it in for the haters. There we go. Then they changed it for let me go back to the charts. My bad, guys. I'm just in a fucking mood. I'm fucking shot. But I get in moods. I get in these type of moods. But so then they extended it. It was like late July, sometime August, whatever it was. And then from August, from then until they did this Cyber Monday deal, you could get you could pay $85 lifetime activation fee for any size account. It was fucking amazing. I paid $85 one time for all 10 of these accounts. So then they roll out this, so they don't do so then the 80% off countdown timer expires, right? And then during Black Friday, there's no sale. It's like 50% off. No sale all weekend. And we're all wondering, what the fuck? And then they finally do something for Cyber Monday. They give us the 90% off that we've all been waiting for patiently. Even people that hate Apex at 90% off, they're like, fuck it, I'll grab accounts there. You know what I mean? Even people that don't want to fuck with Apex, at 90%, you could get fucking evals for $16.70 of 50K. And then, but then they raised the PA, the lifetime PA fee $40 to $125. So yeah, like these would have cost me $400 more at that price. But if you did the math on that deal, what up, Stealth? Lord Woodslinger, what up? No name. I already don't like no name. I already don't like. I'm not in love with their rules now. I've been talking about it for a fucking couple of weeks. I'm like, I've been running my mouth so much. I might be in trouble with Apex right now for all I fucking know. So I'm glad I got it out of my system. So Steve, yeah, I violated their rules. So Elaine, if you do the math on that, if your pass rate, look at this. We just hit another all-time high. Look, we just keep going up. We just keep fucking going up, guys. Fuck, man. I don't want to keep going up. What am I going to do? Keep scalping every time it hits a new high? That's fucking risky as fuck. We did drop down to 400. And then bounced right back and made a new high. So if your pass rate is 1 out of 3 or worse, it was cheaper for certain size accounts. They even raised the price of the 250. Like the 250's been on, the 250 and the 300 have been on sale since fucking June. You could get the bigger accounts. You could get you were able to get a 150, 250, or 350 for $50. Any of those accounts at 80% off. And then they raised I don't know if they raised the other ones. They might have. They raised it 250K, and at 90% off, the 250K was like $51 and change. So like, there's a little bit of fuckery going on. But if you're getting under these new rules, it's not even worth it to get the bigger accounts, I don't think. I think the 25K and the 50K are more than adequate because you're not going to, if you get to a payout, right, you get to 2,600, you're not pulling out 2,000 and being left with only $500. You can't pull out more than you could pull out 500. You could only cut into that by $500. So the lowest you would go in terms of drawdown is 2,100. So like, it's not even a problem anymore. That was the one thing I did like about the rule change. Although you got less money, which sucks, right? I did the math. Like obviously, like if this was the previous payout format, this would have been like 18 grand. all of these. I would have got approved. Well, 2 of them I wouldn't have requested, but I requested just to clear out the fucking violations. But let's just say I didn't violate the 30% consistency rule on 115 and 109, I think, or 112. I don't fucking remember which one it was. And these were all just regular payout requests under the previous rule set. These would have been all approved, and I would have had the craziest month I've ever had as a prop firm trader last month. It would have been insane. It would have been like a $20,000 month. But it didn't happen because of the new rules. And you know what? I'm over it now. I'm over it. I'm just moving forward, right? Everybody said I would never get approved again. Then I got approved last week for $507. Sure, it wasn't, it was only 1 out of 9. And then I requested some more, got approved the next fucking day for $619 times 2. They'll never get approved again. Someone even said, "Oh, they just dangled the carrot. They just gave you a carrot so you could keep promoting as an affiliate." That's what I got. That's what someone commented. Yeah, what are these then? I guess more carrots. More carrots for me. I'll take some more carrots. Keep giving me carrots that I earn by not fucking up. So Roger, if you're still here, I'm sorry I went off on a fucking little bit of a rant. Vinny Cuz, what up? Vinny Cuz. Stealth is here. Yeah, Hawk, you need to get to 4,100 to get to 2K. Hello, Corpian, what up? Yeah, I don't know if it's coming back. 125 might be the deal now. That's the thing. 125 might be the lifetime PA. It's still a better deal than it was. 125 for any size account. I think the 50Ks originally, when I first started trading, doing all this prop firm shit, I think the 150K was 160. I mean, the 50K. The 50K lifetime activation fee was 160. So it made more sense to do and I couldn't hold on to fucking funded accounts longer than a few days, let alone a few weeks for the longest time. So it made sense. After the first like 4 or 5 or 6 funded accounts that I paid the lifetime activation fee for early on that I blew, never even got to a payout, I started just paying the monthly fee of 105 with Tradeovate. I think it was 85 at Rhythmic because that made more sense. And then they did the 85. I was like, holy fuck, $85. That's a great deal. And then now 125 is still better. And the lifetime, you know how Bullinox's fucking lifetime activation fee on their funded accounts goes up? It was the same for Apex too. But it was never like $900. Like the 250K Bullinox master account is what they call funded accounts. It's like $900 to pay the activation fee with Bullinox. The only account worth getting with Bullinox is a 50K because it's still a lot, $148 to activate. So, what up, Mr. Beg Beef? 85 is better. Of course, 85 is better. Yeah, right now, yeah, Mentalix. It's only fit. Yeah, they were running that Cyber Monday deal for 2 days, and they actually stuck. You know how they are. They'll like extend the clock on the countdown timer. Even like the last time, even like they put the 80%. They put the countdown clock back on the site for the 80% off to run into Black Friday and like expire. But for like 2 weeks, it was off the site, but you could still get 80% off. Even though the countdown timer expired a couple of weeks ago, you can still get 80% off and do the $85 PA fee. But yeah, it sucks that it's $40 more, but I don't know. Maybe they're doing the metrics. These prop firms change shit around based on how the metrics are. Like Matt Leach, what we pulled back to this area of fucking support and bounced off of it. Look at this. 1975, I think, is the high. Matt Leach. All right, so buy funded futures. Oh, dude, Roger Adams, my bad, bro. Yeah, Roger Adams. So the rules you want to be careful of. They still have the 30% consistency rule, right? So you don't want to have any single day be more than 30% of your total profit. That's still in play. What else? Oh, there's a scaling rule. So you don't want to, let's say you're in 50Ks, right? And you can full port. 10 is a full port, but they don't want you doing that. That is a violation of the rule as well. You can't go up, you can't load up into minis more than 50% of your, the most you could do. So don't trade more than 5 on a funded account. 5 minis and 50 micros. Look at this shit. Oh my God, this is fucking crazy. I'm scared to fucking go in long though, because like at some point it's gonna stop going up, and it's gonna be when I get in long. So I'm not fucking with this shit. I can't. It's annoying because I haven't traded a fucking thing. I haven't traded any of my accounts. So that's one of the new rules, the scaling rule. So on a funded account with Apex, a 50K, don't go in more than half of what the most you could do. So that's that. And then there's the one that the two that you really got to be careful of is there's a 30%. So there's this rule that they added. They don't want you going down more than 30% of your drawdown in any single trade in unrealized losses. Is everything okay, Harvey? Harvey's having a dream. So, and it's even like I'm still trying to figure out, but I'm pretty sure you start with $2,500 drawdown. So as long as you're below the buffer, I think it's always based on that 2,500. So don't go down more than 750. What's 25? What's 30% of 25? Yeah. Don't go down more than $750 in a trade in a 50K. And do the math on the other size accounts. Don't go down more than 750 while you're in a single trade, because that will be a violation of the unrealized, and they'll call it, improper risk management. They'll call it that. And then what else? You could DCA again, but I think DCAing is a trap because this other rule, I mean, you could still make it work. It depends on how you trade. Like, and I think I kept blowing it because I was DCAing. So I stopped DCAing altogether. I stopped adding to losers altogether. I go in with what I go in. The only time I'll add to a loser is if I go down so badly in a position that I violate the 30% drawdown rule. Then I'm like, fuck it. All right, time to add. But there's a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule. If you violate that, you will get denied a payout. So that's all of these except for 2 were denied for one of those 2 reasons. A few I knew for a fact was because of the 30% rule. The 30% drawdown rule, and then the others, I wasn't sure if I did the 30%, so I had to just assume that I violated the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule. So, whatever. So hopefully that helps Roger Adams. Hope that helps you, man. Just be careful. Like, you're gonna get an Apex account, know what you're getting yourself into. You should know what you're getting yourself into when you get an account with any of these prop firms. It's not just Apex, So that's that. But they said I'd never get approved again. It used to be, when I was waiting on a bunch that I requested 2 on the 12th, and I was waiting and waiting and waiting. They're like, you'll get approved because you're a YouTuber, Jay. And then I got denied 8 fucking times in a row. So that whole argument about me being a YouTuber and that's the only reason I get approved was, that was squashed 8 fucking times in a row. And other people were getting approved. John Wilcox, one of our fellow DCA gang members who hangs out on the streams, he just got his first ever payout as a prop firm trader. First ever payout since getting involved in, being a degenerate with prop firms. And it was with Apex. Requested $6,000. I don't know. I think it was across 350Ks. I don't really know specifically. But what I do know is that he requested $6,000 and got approved for all of it on the first try. So obviously he traded a lot better than me. He was cleaner. He didn't find himself in situations that could be violating those new rules. So, but nobody gets paid by Apex. Apex doesn't pay anybody. But they paid Elaine. They paid John Wilcox. No name. They will run a Christmas sale, but Darrell will find a way so the sale costs more money. Yeah. It was fun. It was funny. I was like, what the fuck? It didn't cost, but if you did the math, it didn't cost more money. But if you grabbed like 10 accounts at 90% off, what are we doing here? 424. Jesus, this is hard, man. Is this going to be support or is it going to go down to this level? I don't fucking trust this shit. I don't trust it. It just keeps going up. It did, like, let's do the math. But if you went, like, if you grabbed 10 accounts, right, 10 50Ks, and you just threw them in a group and went fucking full port, you caught a 15.25 point move, then, like, yeah, then it costs more money because your pass rate is 100%, right? But if you go 1 and 3 with the new accounts you grabbed, right, 16 times, it's 1670 for 50Ks. Let's say you fail 3 times. You pass on the third try, you just drop $50, so it's $50 plus 125. It'll cost you 175 if your pass rate is 1 and 3 for a funded account. Under the deal, well, the deal that expired. It doesn't even matter now, but this was the 90% off deal that was happening. Versus if you were 1 for 3 under the 80% off $85 PA fee deal, 3340 times 3. 102, 120 plus 85. It's more money. It's more money the other way. If your pass rate is 1 out of 3 or worse. Let's say if it's 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 is at 60%. Well, I don't want to do the math that way. It's harder to do. But 1 and 3, which my pass rate is not 1 and 3. My pass rate has improved, but overall, my pass rate is like 20%, which is 1 in 5. Yeah. Yeah. Fast Track changed the rules. Fast Track changed the rules retroactively and fucked a bunch of people who were approved out of payouts. What up, Einon? Carbo Knight, what's good? Yeah, Vinny Cuz, bro. This is hard, man. Charles Green got paid. Charles Green, didn't you get paid by Apex on your first request attempt under the new rules? Shout out to Trevor LeConte. Yo, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Is he here? We saw Trevor L on the fucking Top Step leaderboard, and we don't know if it's Trevor LeConte. I got to ask him next time. You got to remind me to ask if it's him. We saw a Trevor L on the Top Step leaderboard. Charles Green got 2 for 2. Charles Green requested twice, got approved twice under the new rules. But they ain't paying anybody, right? It's like, we could call it like, I am the first person to call out the bullshit. Not the first person, but I'm not afraid to, I called it out. I thought it was fucking bullshit. I was absolutely fucking frustrated over the fact that I was getting denied my payout request that would have been approved just a few weeks ago. But other people were getting approved and getting paid. And then now I got paid. I just walk away, Jay. Just walk away from $1,745. That is, I just cut into my tuition by $1,745 just in the last week alone. And the money's already in the account. Chill Out was waiting 10 days for his fucking Top Step money. 10 fucking days. Yeah, no name. So the math is mathing. Yeah, it depends. You always got to do the math with Apex. But yeah, it looked, obviously, who wants to pay $40 more for the lifetime PA? We were spoiled for 4 months. $85 lifetime PA fee with Apex. That shit was going on for fucking since like June. Not across the board, but I think like by August it was on every fucking account, any size. So we were spoiled. It's just the wording on when they worded it in the Discord. It was like just 125, like just $40 more. I was like, it's just funny to me. Shit like that makes me laugh because like I don't know who writes that. Like I don't want to say I'm a copywriter, but I read a lot of books on how to write ad copy, and I've written sales letters and shit like that. And I've written a fuck ton of emails, and obviously running, having a channel. How many videos have I uploaded? I've written a fuck ton of fucking titles for fucking videos. So like I fancy myself a little bit of a copywriter, and I just reading it saying that's just fucking funny. Because everybody knew, like, everybody was making fun of it because it was funny. Just 125, just $40 more. He was waiting, because that live account is not a real account. There's no way that live account has real money in there. There's no fucking way. What were they down? $12,700 yesterday? There's no fucking way. It can't be real money. Have I reviewed Trade Iffy? I have not tried Trade Iffy, and I don't have any intentions of trying them until maybe they're around for a year. And it's mainly because of I know about Brett. Like, Brett's a cool guy, and Brett's the face of Trade Iffy. I think he has like other financial backing and shit. He's the CEO of Trade Iffy. I know Brett from before he pivoted to prop firms, and he rug pulled customers a couple of times. But he fucked customers a couple of times out of money. So that's the main reason why I haven't fucked a Trade Iffy. But they seem to be doing it. They're one of the few new prop firms that are actually fucking. There was another one. There had a few as of right now. You know what I mean? I'm not saying I'm going to give him my endorsement, but as of right now, but I will say I learned the golden pocket from Brett. So I'm thankful to him for that, because the golden pocket is fucking dope. In the fib. But I will say that out of all the new prop firms, Trade Iffy, they seem to be doing it right so far, because people are still getting paid. No one's getting fucked. Even they were running into issues. They ran into an issue with like Tradeovate and Rhythmic or whatever, or just Tradeovate, and they halted trading for a couple of days until they fucking moved to a new server. And they're doing the right thing with payout windows. They're extending payout windows and all this shit. So I'm watching. Would I get an account with them now? No, that's just me, because I know shit about Brett. That's the only reason why. I might have tried trade if I didn't know about Brett and didn't know anything about him, his past. I probably would have grabbed the trade Iffy account by now. But Profit Trade's running into fucking issues. They're having liquidity issues. I think they deleted their Telegram. They're trying to fucking raise money for a fucking ICO they're trying to sell shit coins, Profit Trade shit coins, to raise money so they could have it. So it's I guess so they could pay people. I don't fucking know. There's another one. What was it? Alpha Trades. Which one? What up, Cove? Yeah, I learned pocket pool from them. Everybody gets paid. Yeah, Helicorpian. Everybody gets paid. Exactly, bro. Over 400K with what's Path Hack? What's that? Welcome home. Welcome home. Yeah, I think that. Yeah, Renier, bro. I can't disagree with you on that. I just don't want to fuck with them. Not anytime soon, at least. I like my odds better passing fucking evals with like my funded futures. And like even my funded futures, like Matt Leach, they had what was it? The 25K milestone. They ended they were supposed to run that to the end of November. They cut it off early because he literally came out and said we weren't making enough profit from it. We were losing money on it. So that's what you guys got to understand with these prop firms. If you don't already, right? Most of you guys do. 424, we're down. Oh man, see, like this is what I'm talking about. This is fucking tough to trade for me. I don't know. I could just guess my way in and go short, but it could bounce here. It could bounce and go back up and make a new high, because that's all it's been doing all fucking day since the market opened, making new highs. Axe Trader, is that the one? Axe Trader, it was one of them. Alpha Trader, Axe Trader, one of them just literally just started denying people payouts or just terminating people's accounts that were in profit for bullshit, some bullshit. Like at least with Apex, like you violate the rule, you don't lose your account. You just have to fucking keep trading and work it to a payout. You don't lose. I didn't lose any of these accounts. I still had them. The balances, everything was still there. I just had to have 8 clean fucking days. some of these other prop firms, these newer prop firms are fucking disqualifying you completely if you fucking violate a rule that some of them are changing them retroactively, and then people that are approved or about to get approved, they get denied. So I don't know. Whatever. Could be a lot worse. You profit, we don't pay. You can't profit. That's a good one. My slogan for you profit was we don't pay. You profit, you don't get paid. There's so many sketchy ones, and then you got funded futures family. You know, you got that whole situation. I'm staying far the fuck away from that shit, and that's a brand new prop firm too. Yeah, they used to come on here, Hawk. Man, well, you weren't here for that. Squillion Trader. Nice job, bro. JC Trade, what up? What's good? Single mother. Yeah, you know why people don't like the expert plan? Because you have to go up more. You have less drawdown, and like on a 50K, for example, you have 500 less drawdown, and you have to go up $1,000 more to pass. But there's no consistency rule on the funded account side, and I forgot I don't even know what the buffer is to get paid on that. I like the starter plans, but he came out and said we ended the 25K early because it wasn't profitable for us. That's why prop firms are here, to make money. They're not here to make us better traders and shit like that. They exist. They're business. They're a business. They're in the business of selling accounts. And then and then hopefully, oh, look at this. Hopefully now they push you to live. They get some money on that. Hopefully they copy trade some of the better traders that are getting paid habitually. Huh. Now I think I want to go long somewhere. Here. But it's not even that big of a drop. 16 points from the top, from the all-time high. We just keep making new all-time highs, right? We just dropped 16 points, and now look, we're going back up. So we bounced basically right at this area of this little baby area of support. This is barely any support, and that's all it took for it to bounce back up. And now look, we're going back up. Are we going to make a new all-time high? Who the fuck knows? This is fucking hard to trade. What up, Alex? And they can sell the data. Yeah, they sell it to jerk off Justin Hertzberg, and then he turns around and gets paid to consult prop firms on how to fuck us out of our payouts, how to make it harder for us to get paid. Low trend. Yeah, low trend. Like the expert account, I'm not an expert, so I stay away from it. I'm cool with the starter account. And then they had the Starter Plus account. I don't even know if you can still buy the Starter Plus account. Can you? Let's see. They brought back the Starter Plus account for Black Friday, and they were giving a 25% discount on that and the expert account. Let's see. Fuck. Do they have Starter Plus still? No. Nope, they don't. No more Starter Plus. It's gone. They brought it back just for Black Friday. So now all you have option. The Starter Plus was like a hybrid of expert and starter. That's what Starter Plus was. So now this is your options. These two, expert and starter, are the evals, and then milestone is the straight to funded. I think they're still doing 10% off milestone with the best coupon code ZERODAYJay. If you guys want to look at all that shit, I'll drop my link in the Discord in the chat. Yeah, and there's no activation fee. There's no activation fee with my funded futures ever, as of right now, of course. So look, here we go. Are we going to make a new all-time high again here? This is fucking tough for me. One trade a day. What up? Yeah, no activation fee for my funded futures, in case you guys were wondering. You could get a fucking 50K starter account for $80, or I think they're only doing a discount on the ACH version. Try putting in my coupon code. It will accept it, even if it, like, they took away the the discount on the credit, debit, and crypto payment methods. I don't know if they brought it back, but it's 5% wherever the coupon code is accepted. If you want to support the channel, put it in anyway, and we'll acknowledge it. But if you want to grab an account or you want to just see what the accounts are, here's my link. Coupon code ZERODAYJay. Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Traders still have their Black Friday sale is still happening. 40% off any size test account. $0 activation fee, and they will give you 100% of your initial test fee in a refund if you get to your first payout. After first payout from that account. Not your first ever payout with them. Look, here we go. Again, exactly what I said. I just didn't know which little baby area of support we were going to fucking bounce off of. But here we are, back up 14 points, about to make a new all-time high. This is tough to fucking trade. Very hard to trade. And here we go. Is it gonna make a new high? I think it's 424.25. So far, it's an equal high. It's trying. Here's my Take Profit Trader link in the chat. Oh, look, 424.50. We just made another high. Not a huge. We only went up by a tick, but we are up a new. Oh, never mind. See? Crazy. 20 points. We just went up 20 points in a few minutes. This thing could go up another fucking 30 points right now if it wants to. This shit is fucking tough to trade, man. For me, if you guys are getting paid on this shit, I love that for you guys. Apex is doing. I think Apex is only 50% off right now. I don't even know how much the activation fee is. Here's my link for Apex if you want to fuck with them. That's what I've been telling people. Hey, if you want to fuck with Apex, you're going to grab accounts anyway, and you're looking for a coupon code to save a little bit, use ZERODAYJay. It's the best coupon code anyway. Best code. Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Bullinox, 90% off Bullinox, I think. Trade Day's doing 60% off. I think that sale's still going on. They have their Black Friday sale, 60% off any size Trade Day account. So that's that. Yes, Coral Sky. Yeah, I'm all about that scalp life. I live the scalp life. I just don't. I'm just not. I don't know. I'm fucking tired too. I don't want to be caught in a fucking trade. I'm probably going to get off soon and go to sleep because I need to get some rest. Yeah, the pivot. Yeah, let's look at the pivot points. Well, let me get off the 4 hour. Let me go to the 15-minute. Yeah. At least. It really all depends on what happens in the next couple of hours. Let me go back to Forex Factor. We got, what do we have? Non-farm payroll today, ADP non-farm payroll, non-farm employment, right? We got PMI, and you got fucking, well, Powell's speaking in the afternoon. So that's going to make the afternoon fucking, there's going to be some fucking price action. There'll actually be price action for fucking power hour. What up? He's pissed at me? Whatever. I'm pissed at him. Cool. I'm not even mad at him. I don't even care. He's still mad about that shit. He should have fucking blurred out his name when he posted that screenshot. Just remember, Slade, he called my channel a fucking joke. He said my channel's a joke now. In my chat, on my while I'm streaming. So, whatever. Let him be mad. I'm not mad at him. But we were fucking around with him. We were joking around. I was joking around with him, but he was already being disrespectful to my fucking to people in the Discord, telling them they have low IQs and shit because he's always on the defensive about Apex. And I know he was a little frustrated because he just got fucked out of a big payout from UProfit, or just fucked out of whatever profits he had in the accounts that he had with them because of their retroactive rule change. But you know, I don't care how many fucking subscribers you have. You don't talk to people like that. Not in my Discord. So whatever. I'm over it. He could move on. He's still gonna fucking. The problem was he kind of invited. What came after. He kind of invited it. And then he went and said that my channel's a fucking joke. Something I've been working really hard on for almost a year now. Barely getting any fucking sleep. I don't get any fucking sleep because I'm fucking busting my ass on this channel. And then someone like that I respect says that to me on my fucking stream because people were fucking with him. I can't control what people say. What am I going to just kick everybody off my fucking stream? Sam Ellis. Yeah. Why so serious? It was a fucking joke. He posted something on Twitter. Oh my God, get over it, dude. Give me a fucking break. Cry hard. Go cry about it. God damn. Whatever. We just went up to 28-25. Just keep saying my name. That's all. Keep saying my name in your tweets and on your streams. Keep saying my name. More people will find me, hopefully. Thanks, Sam Ellis. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Nah, he's cool. I don't know. He just a little sensitive. That's all. A little sensitive. Well, he left the Discord. He's not even in my Discord anymore. But I would never fucking go on. It wasn't even just him that day. But I would never go on his stream and say he has a joke of a channel. I fucking respect what he's built. I admire him for what he's been able to build with his channel. I think he's doing a great job with his fucking channel. I would never go on his channel, and if I'm getting fucked with, let's say I went on his channel and he was a big fuck them traders guy, and everybody on there knows that I don't fuck with fuck them traders, and they all started fucking with me about not fucking with fuck them traders, and I said this channel is a joke. I would never do that. So whatever. I don't care. Let him be mad. Well, whatever. Whatever. It is what it is. It's unfortunate that it happened. My intentions were never for it to turn into what it was when I found out what his name was and I said that because it's funny and it rhymes. Not that big of a deal. My last, I get made fun of in my own fucking Discord all the time. You don't see me fucking crying about it. Exactly, low trend. Exactly. Garchar. Whatever. I wish him nothing but the best. Keep saying my name. Keep saying my name. I didn't do anything wrong. What up, Pine Tree? I do regret. I do regret. You know what? You know what? He should have fucking blurred out his name, and none of this would have ever happened. If your name is fucking Lester, you should blur that shit out. Period. So I know he instantly regretted that. Like I played base. I played baseball with a guy named Lester. I said the same thing to him, and he laughed it off. Great dude too. One of my favorite guys to play ball with. His name is Lester. One of my favorite. I wish I'm not even on his team right now. I play with him a lot on Saturdays. Great dude. Guy could take a joke. What up, JC Trade? AS. And all that happened right after he was insulting members of my Discord because they were disagreeing about something. You know, because he's always, you know, he's a big Apex guy. So people fuck with him about that too. I get fucked with about Apex. I get fucked with about you know, trading with Apex. People telling me, remember, people told me to walk away from all this because I kept getting denied. Or they would say, "Oh, you'll get approved. The only reason you get approved for all the payouts you did get approved for is because you're an affiliate. You're a streamer and you're an affiliate." I get fucked with. I've been getting fucked with about Apex for months. But whatever. I don't even want to talk about it because I don't even care. I'm fucking over it. Like Richard Tingler. Yo, thanks, Sam. You didn't have to say that, bro. I appreciate Sam Ellis. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Here we go again. New all-time high. Where's it gonna bounce and make a new all-time high? We're already down 12 points. Here, here, here. I would like to go back long. I don't know if I want to go short here. Like this could be right here. We could bounce. Got a little bit of support right here. We got support right here. Like it's bouncing off of barely any support too. Like this could be the support spot or here, which is also happens to be the 5-minute 21 EMA. Yeah, AS exactly, bro. And she took it like a champ. That didn't sound right. You know, if you're gonna put yourself out there, you can't expect everybody to fucking be nice to you or not fuck with you. How many times would people come on here and fuck with me about Fast Track because I wouldn't kiss the ring? I would not fucking take, you know, bow down to fucking Scott and the fucking Fast Track groupies. I mean, that didn't age well for them, but how many times did you see me on the overnight stream getting fucked with hardcore? They would call me an Apex whore because I wouldn't fucking promote Fast Track. I wouldn't get behind Fast Track. I took it. You know, I fucking would, you know, I would go back at people because I don't take anybody's fucking shit. But hey, if you're going to put yourself out there, expect to get fucked with by people. Period. Oh, AS, yeah, today? Oh, yeah, in the Discord? Absolutely. Absolutely. And you know what? It was my fault again because I had to fucking say what I said. You remember what I said? I don't want to say it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it because it kind of caused a little bit of a shitstorm. But hey, you know what? I'm okay with having uncomfortable conversations. Yup, Hawk, it was. And that's why I don't like fucking with new prop firms, including Trade Iffy, who seems to be doing it right so far. And I like Kellyanne. I think she's cool. I think she's cool as hell. And I think I think she does a great job with her channel. But on the affiliate side of things, she's no fucking different than me. That's for sure. I think Pat's a good trader. I think Patrick's. I know no issues with Patrick. I don't have any issues with anybody until they have an issue with me. Until I have a reason to have an issue with somebody. I'm cool with everybody until you give me a reason to not be cool with you. That's great. I got shit for not donating to that fucking fast track lawsuit GoFundMe. I already made my donation. I've been making my donation for that fucking GoFundMe since fucking June. So what? I should throw money at it so I can say, "Look at me! I fucking donated to it too." What if this lawyer fucking rug pulls everybody that made the donation? Yeah. He also fucking promoted Fast Track hard for a week before the fucking official rug pull was fucking completed. That's like a save face. He was saving, I like whatever. I don't care. That's great. But he did promote them right at the very end. You know, he there was a little spat between him and Scott when Scott was in the middle of fucking everybody over out of their payouts. Patrick was out of payout. I don't know if he ever got paid, but he might have got paid to promote that shit. Nobody will know. So, he put his name on that shit right, like literally a week or two before Fast Track went completely under. So, whatever. I'm not mad at him for it. I don't care. So, I understand why he dropped 10 G's in there. Scott donated $12 for his own. He doesn't need. Scott walked away with millions. He had all that Tron coin. Tron coin. Oh fuck, my battery's gonna die. Tron coin was up like, dude. Tron coin went up to like 43 cents today. He's still sitting on all that fucking Tron, son. Everybody's life Tron savings. He just fucking that shit went up like fucking 500%. Look, here we go. Look, we bounce off of this little bullshit area of support right here. We're bouncing. Are we going to make a new all-time high? Like, how the fuck do you trade this? We just keep making higher fucking lows, higher lows, higher highs. You just don't know when it's going to bounce because I don't trust it. Yeah, I'm holding that. What up, JTF? What up, bro? GMAT was good. Yeah, he didn't get paid on trading accounts. It doesn't mean he didn't get paid to fucking promote that shit. You remember you guys saw the internal memo, all that shit that got leaked? He was one of the big fish they were trying to fucking land to promote their shit to raise money to pay out to pay the traders that they were fucking out of their payouts. People have short memories. I don't understand. I fucking don't forget. And it's fine. It's cool. Like I don't have any problems with him. I don't care. What he wants to do with his fucking influence and his channel and his money is his business. Oh, that's not no, it's not my M1 battery, Mikey. It's my old laptop, the one that I'm looking at the chat. My M1 battery is fucking fully charged. You see that? 80%. This thing's barely working. Like it's barely using it's barely, expending energy. What up, Coach Singh? Oh, is that what happened? Tron TRX is actually it's actually a fucking Tron is actually like one of the few coins like in the beginning that was actually a real business, like a real brick and mortar business. Claudine, what's going on? Mac Air M3, Mentalix. I don't think you could get a. I don't think you could get 64 gigs on a MacBook Air. And do your research on M1 and M2 versus M3. M1 and M2 are better than M3. The way the way it routes the memory or whatever the fuck it's doing. I remember watching a video because I was looking for M3s too. I was down. I was good to get an M1 or an M2. This fucking sucks. I was down to get an M1 or an M2. When I just put this brightness on, did it get brighter for you guys too? I'm just curious. But I got a 64 gigs of RAM. This thing is fucking. Let's see. This is an M1. This is a 16-inch Pro Max. About this Mac. This thing is fucking. I got a terabyte of storage available too. Let's see. I want to fucking find. I don't know how to look up the specs on this thing, other than that it's an M1 Max. And it's I pay, and plus like the M2s are like like the M2. I was very specific. I wanted at least 32 gigs of RAM, 16-inch M1 or M2, and like this was $1,500 used, spooge and all. No, I didn't buy a new one. No way. I would never. I'm not buying new fucking Apple anything anymore. The laptop that I'm looking at, I have this laptop since brand new. The one that I just had to plug in because the battery was dying. I have a 2016 MacBook Pro that I bought brand new for like $3,400 fucking dollars. I paid extra. Anybody remember Mac Mall? I bought it from Mac Mall. You used to be able to buy Apple products like you used to be able to buy MacBook Pros and the expensive shit for like $200 cheaper on Mac Mall for some reason. They had some sort of deal with Apple. What up, Tito? Yeah, Claudine, seriously, like this is hard to fucking trade. I just saw the price action is awful. So it was like 3,100 and then I paid $300 for Apple Care. And that was the last fucking MacBook. That was the last like computer that I ever bought new. I'll never do it again. I just bought one of these. The one that I'm looking at the chat with. It's basically still my main work computer. I still do all my like work on here. I'm trying to segue to doing all of my work on the M1, but I just have all my shit on here and it works fine for work stuff. I just bought this same exact machine with 7 charge cycles for a friend of mine that helps me with some shit I do in my online marketing business. I paid $265 used. The thing is a fucking beast. 16 gigs of RAM, it was like Intel 2.5 processor. I don't even fucking know. 500 gigs of storage. I mean, that was the shit back in the day. I should do an IRL trading setup video. You guys really want to see? Oh, like, here's my setup. It's like literally 2 fucking laptops right next to each other. Well, I have literally one. I trade on one computer. I trade on a fucking MacBook Pro. So like the M2s, like the 64 gig M2 16-inch Mac Pro Maxes they're like 1,800 to 2,000. That's the cheapest I could get one for. But like also I'm also limited to whatever's available on the marketplace. And I wanted to get something like, I've been looking for months, and I came across this one and I grabbed it. I saw it. There's another one that's for sale. I might grab another one. I look for people, this guy, he never got back to me. It's, one of those like moving, need to sell everything, need to get rid of a bunch of shit, including this fucking barely used MacBook Pro. Those are the type of people I like to look for. Lowball the fucking shit out of them. AS, I don't know, man. Like the 16 gigs now is a lot more than the 16 gigs on the old one that I'm looking at right now. It's almost like having 32 gigs with the M chips, but AS, man, how much more is a 32 or a 64? Just pay $200 or $300 more to get the 32 gigs of RAM. What up, Eamon? And some people say the RAM doesn't really matter as much. I think it does. How could 32 gigs not be better than 16? Or 64 not be better than 16? Or 64 not be better than 32? All right, so here's something that happened. We just had our first lower high in a while. We just kept making, we kept making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, a little bit of a lower low, but it bounced off of support, just made a new high, and we couldn't get back and make a new high on this bounce. We might have something here. Yeah, we're going to find out. I don't give a fuck about this account anymore, honestly. Yeah, we're going to find out. And we're going to find out if we have anything here. Do we have more than just this? Come on. Do we have more than 13? I think so. We have this. Get me out of one here and get me out of another one here. Let's see. I could be wrong, though. I just saw the lower high, so I'm taking a shot. I'm gambling. I'm guessing my way in, and I did go up real quick. I did go up 3 points, almost. I guessed my way in, and I guessed my way out, and it's already backfiring on me. Auction my laptops to my viewers. I'm not selling them. I still have my old 17-inch MacBook Pro that I don't even touch. That's sitting in a box somewhere. That thing's a fucking, that at the time was a fucking beast. That thing was a tank. Look, see, just when I thought, and look, it did drop for a second. Oh, new fucking hour. Fuck me, bro. Every fucking time. If this was not a new hour, this would have kept going down. We had a fucking lower high. We kept making higher highs, and now I'm fucked. This account's fucked. I'm probably going to blow this account, and I don't even fucking care. I really don't even fucking care about this account anymore. I'm over it. Why do I do that, man? I finally enter a trade, and it's during a new hour. Any other time, this would have kept going down because we had the fucking, at least a little bit more. We had the fucking lower high. We kept making higher highs, higher lows, and then we finally had a lower high. We couldn't make a new all-time high because that's all we've been doing. Just keep making new all-time highs, and then the new hour hit, and now I'm fucked. Yeah, Asian Moon Day. It's like it was heavy as shit too. It's heavy. What up, Pandal Trading? Yeah, but the M3 Maxes, if I get an M3, first of all, if I were to buy a used M3 Max, it would still cost me like $2,500, $3,000. I'm just not spending that much money on anything that I'm going to be using for this shit. You know what I mean? For work stuff. When there's nothing wrong with this M1. This M1 is fucking amazing. Just remember, I've been trading, Pandal. How to trade all-time high? I don't know, man. I don't know how to trade. I don't like trading this shit. Look at me. I'm down $230 because I got caught up in a new fucking hour. It's always with the new hours I get fucked. Now it's going to make a new all-time high. This account's fucked anyway. I can't wait for this thing to get blown. I'll just replace it with this one down here. I'd rather, you know what? I'd rather it get blown. I mean, I don't want to blow it, obviously, but I could give a fuck less about this account now. I got denied on 2 payouts for this thing anyway. This account's cursed. But this one is, I haven't touched it yet. But like, bro, I've been Pandal. I mean, a lower high. My bad. A lower high. I meant a lower high. A lower high right here. But thank you for correcting me. You know what? People know what I meant. A lower high here. We kept making higher highs, and this is a lower high. So I went in short. I was actually up for a second, and then I forgot that we were at the new fucking hour. So I fucked myself. So I'm just gonna ride this out and see what happens. I meant higher, lower high, but thanks for the correction. Just keep in mind, Pandal. We're talking about M1s and M3s and all this shit. What up, Bo Vosh? I've been trading on a fucking 2016, a 2015, a mid 2015 MacBook Pro with 16 gigs of RAM. I bought this thing brand new in January of 2016. I've had this thing for almost 9 years. And then I bought another one used, the same exact one, basically used for like $800 like 3 years ago for trading purposes. Yeah, Blue Boy. I fucking make trades. Bro, I make trades. I don't even, sometimes I'm like, oh, this looks good. This looks good. And I fucking realize that it's right at the hour's about to end. I'm like, fuck me, man. That happened to me last night. I had to sit in a trade for 2 hours. It worked out. I hear you, Pandal. I hear you, bro. What up, Ree? Eamon, what up? It is a coin toss, Eamon, because it keeps bouncing off the like the littlest bullshit support. Like it bounced. Like this was a good area of support right here, but then here, like it bounced, like right here, it bounced off of these two candles right here. That was the support. That's all the support it needed to make a new all-time high. Then it came back down, and then it bounced off of this bullshit area of support to make another all-time high. And then this time it made like, it couldn't do the same thing. So I thought maybe it was going to go short. It started to, and then it was a new hour, so I got fucked. But I might not be completely fucked. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to sit in the trade. I haven't traded. This is literally my first trade of the entire day. I haven't traded at all since the market reopened. And normally by this time, a lot of times I'm done trading my Apex accounts by this fucking time. Yeah, dude. And I bet, did it break? Did it break, or was it working just fine when you stop using it? I also bought a bunch of for my kids. My kids do school at home. We've been homeschool. We basically, right before we moved here in 2019, we were homeschool. We started homeschooling our kids. So I bought MacBook Pro. I got like 2000. I had an old. I still have a MacBook Pro. Holy shit! I still have a 2015 13-inch MacBook Pro that I bought used from somebody in like 2017. That we still use that thing. One of the kids uses that. My daughter uses that for school. And then I bought two more 2014 MacBook Pros for like $400 used from like a computer shop out here. And they're fine. They're fucking amazing machines. Meanwhile, people fucking blow through PCs. They'll buy some fucking shitty fucking Windows fucking laptop, Dell, HP, and all that shit. And they're buying new ones in 2 years. Every 2 years, they got to get a new fucking laptop. Fucking Apple makes really good shit. Please drop. Yeah, well, right before that. So I can't talk about it as much as I would like to, AS. Let's just say that they changed some laws in New York. We had religious exemptions from that stuff. My kids had some of them, and then we stopped after one of my kids was diagnosed with autism. My son, one of my boys. So we stopped everything after that. And then, but you have to stay up to date. So we got religious exemptions for all of them. Never was a problem. All four of my kids there was a time when all four of my kids were in the same elementary school. Like everybody knew my kids, everybody knew me and my wife. Like we were fucking super established. We were like good fellas in that school district. And then fucking Governor Cuomo, that piece of fucking shit that he is, and all the fucking, and Big Pharma and all that, like Thieves in the Night in June of 2019 voted to ban religious exemptions from that shit. Like Thieves in the fucking Night. And all of a sudden it became a problem that we had that. So all of a sudden we started getting letters in the fucking mail from the school district saying, your kids need to be up to date. You need to show us proof of being up to date or proof of appointments to get up to date. If they're not up to date, failure to comply. They use that language with me. I don't like being told, I don't like that language being used towards me or my family. Failure to comply. They will not be able to come back to school. They will not be able to come to school. I was like, oh, really? Okay. So what did I do? I put my house up for sale in fucking July, accepted the first offer, pulled my kids out of school. They started homeschooling and we were going to come and then we decided to come here, and you don't even need a religious exemption. You can just literally say, we don't want to for whatever reason we want. And then all that shit happened. COVID happened in 2019. Like we put our house up for sale July. The law changed in June. We put our house up for sale at the end of July. We closed on the sale of the house October 31st, October 30th, got here November 5th. And then just a couple of months later, all hell broke loose. That shit was rolled out, and I wasn't sending we were considering, the schools out here suck. If you want to get a decent education out here, you have to send them to charter schools anyway. And we were considering it. Where we were looking to live was based on, the schools being better than other locations out here. And once all that shit happened and they started, forcing you to do something that was against our will, without our consent, all that type of shit, in public for your protection, for Nana, I was like, I'm not sending these kids. They're not going to school. They're never going to fucking public school again. And that's how it's been ever since. Long story short. And I hope I said it in a good enough way that I won't have my fucking video, my fucking live stream deleted. I'm still in this trade. I have a feeling we're going to drop. I am on the West Coast. I'm in Vegas, but I lived my whole life in New York on Long Island. GMAT, yeah. The original gangsters. Passing props, what's good? You think so, Ree? I got a long ways to go, bro. I got a long ways to go, but the channel's growing. The channel is growing. Thanks, man. I appreciate you've been around almost since the beginning, Ree. Since the beginning when I started streaming. What up, Mario? The battery life, it's good. The thing about if you're gonna buy a used anything, Apples, you're gonna buy a used MacBook, any type of Apple, MacBook Air, any laptop, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, look for the charge cycles. Look to see how many charge cycles it has. This one had a little bit more than I would have liked, but I'm okay with it because you know what? It still had 80% of its usefulness. 88%, I think it had. Let's see. Let's go to the battery. Battery health, normal. So it's still at 88% of its maximum capacity. I can live with that. And then what happened? Oh, look, I'm green. I'm green, Pandal. Miss Goody's here. Thank you, Miss Goody. I appreciate you. And it wasn't just me making the decisions on my own. My wife my wife's all about it too. She's the fucking shit. Do I want to lock in gains? Is this the support? Can we get below this fucking level right here? No. Ugh. I might just lock it in. I just think it wants to drop lower. I don't fucking know. It kind of looks like shit right now. It finally actually looks like shit. Instead of just keeping it fucking going up and making new highs. I want this right here. I want this. I don't know why, but that's what I want. Maybe I'll move it up a little bit, right there. Fuck. Am I being greedy? I don't think so. I don't know. That's what I want. That's the move I think we were gonna get. But damn, I would have loved to have gotten fucking 5 points. That was $200. If I got out at 5 points. Now I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Whatever. It was a good trade until I fucked it up. So there's nothing wrong with this trade other than the execution factor. I'm executing poorly. You might be right, bro. You might be right, but I'm a scalper. I'm not a trend trader. The problem was I didn't take my profits when I had the chance to. I would have been perfectly fine with $180. I wanted this. I wanted this right here. Well, actually, this was a little lower. I had it down here. But I was just green in the trade. I just didn't take it. So I was right about the problem was I was fucking the timing. I'm right. I'm right a lot of the time, but at the wrong time. I was right, and it was right as the new hour was dropping. So I had to sit through all this bullshit, and I finally got it, and it was too quick. I could have still taken like 120. Oh well. Thank you, AGS. I appreciate it. K Soliman, what up? What time is the news? The first drop of news is at 8:15, which is in an hour. And then you got PMI at 10, ISM services PMI, whatever the fuck that is. I don't know if this is the main PMI. I don't even know. You got crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then you got fucking douchebag Powell speaking at 1:45. But yeah, I don't know. This might end up not being a great trade, but I had it. I had profits. I should have taken it and been happy. But I'm greedy. I wanted more. I thought we were going to come down to this area, at least down here. I wanted that at least, but whatever. I don't even care about this account anymore. Yeah, Hello Corpian. Yeah. You know how many people did that? I know people I'm like good friends with someone I was playing ball with. He literally said, yeah, I would play with him and his brother all the time. We were on a couple of teams together. Yeah, I got it so I could go to games. He's like big into like hockey and shit. I got it so I could go to hockey games. I'm like, are you fucking serious, bro? And he's been fucked up ever since. But I can't talk about what. Can't be out here spreading medical misinformation. I can't talk about what's going on. God forbid I even talk about it, even say the name. No, Pandal, you're probably going to be right, but I'm not here for a long time. Seems like it's going to take time for that to happen. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. I didn't even want to be on this long, but of course I got into a fucking trade, and now I'm trapped in this fucking trade. As soon as I get out of this trade, I'm probably going to get off though, because I got to get some sleep. Yeah, see, I'm fucked now. I'm fucked. I had it. I had fucking, $200, and that's all I would have been. I would have been perfectly fine with that. Yeah, iPhone's kind of. I mean, I have an iPhone, but I don't even buy. This is a refurbed iPhone. I don't buy iPhones new. I think my kids get new. I end up getting suckered into buying new iPhones for the kids a lot of times. But even then, I try to get the refurbs. Most of the iPhones I've been buying lately are refurbs. I was using an iPhone 8 Plus for the longest fucking time that I bought new, and then that thing stopped working. The screen was all fucked up. It was just I beat the shit out of that phone, and I had it for years. And then I got this. This is a what? I got this like a year ago. What is this? I don't even know which one this is. Hold on. Where's the about this phone? General about. This is an iPhone 11 Pro. I got it a year ago, used, refurbished off of eBay. I'm not paying $1,000 for a fucking phone. It's so I don't know. I don't know. This shit. I'll buy a baseball bat for $150, a wood bat. I just bought 2 wood bats for like $280 combined. But I won't fucking drop 1,200 on a fucking phone. I think it's the dumbest fucking thing ever. Matt O'Rourke, yeah, we're uptrending for sure. I can't disagree with you on that. Bogey down, what up? Yeah, I saw that bullshit email. What a fucking joke. And it's basically saying I think he said in the email, I'm just waiting for Tron coin to go up so I can pay these refunds. Fucking scumbag. Yeah, I guess my way in and I guess my way out. You still have an X since 2018? Yeah. The secret with the old iPhones is just not to do any updates. If you don't do the updates, they'll fucking work for a long time. As long as you don't fucking smash them from dropping them 400,000 times. You know what I mean? They're fucking great products, man. Everybody gets paid. Hello, Corpian. We'll be processing refunds starting from, so they haven't processed a single refund since November 7th. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. Jay Jackson, I wish. Trades by Slade. Trades by Slade says he's usually wrong, but Trades by Slade gets fucking payouts. Trades by Slade gets hella payouts. It does kind of look like a Head and Shoulders. It just looks like shit now. Let me go to the bigger time frames. I mean, here it looks fucking amazing on the 15. It looks like we're about to just go boing. It needs to get below this fractal. You see this little fucking channel, these fucking trend lines that are forming? It needs to get, I don't even need it to get that fucking low. Just come down here. 410, where are we at? I don't want to put a stop in because I don't want it to fucking go boing and take me out of my stop, but I will put a stop in, and if it gets down lower than here, I will fucking trail it and fucking take whatever I could get when it gets back down there, if it does. That's the 15. I don't really look at the 5 all that much, but here's the 5. It looks like shit on the 5 too. Look, kind of looks like shit on the 5. It looks like it could come down to the upper the VWAP band, or here's the what is this box? Is this the London high? Why is this? What is this box? Is this the kill zone? It could come to like right around here. And then if we look at the hourly, even the hourly could fucking come down a little bit more. If it could get below this fucking wick and go down to the bottom of this candle before the wick, that'd be amazing. Oh shit, look, I'm up $100. Oh fuck, I wasn't paying attention. Get the fuck down there, you piece of shit. I'm never going to be able to get off. K. Soliman. Crude's taking a dive. Well, you got crude inventories today, I think. Is that today? No, that is today. Hello, Corpian. Quotes of the year. I guess my way in and I guess my way out to habitual payouts. Like Pandle sounds like he knows a lot more about trading than I do. But one thing I know how to do is request payouts. So, I do not profess to be a good trader, but I'm getting good at getting paid. That's for sure. And that's just one of my accounts. This is just my Apex account. I've gotten, and that's an inside joke for people that would understand what I'm talking about. It's making fun of like marketers who like talk, people who sell how to make money products online. They'll like show off their fucking affiliate earnings, or they'll show off their revenue selling products. And they'll be like, and that's just one of my accounts. So it's a joke when I say that's just one of my prop firm accounts. Passing props. So many denied. Yeah, because of the new rules. These are all approved. These would all be approved if under the old rules. See, I only was denied once in 9. I just, look at all these pays, and then the new rules dropped, and apparently the way I was trading these accounts, I'm a little loose with how I trade. I kept getting denied. But look, I got approved. I made the adjustment. I made some adjustments, and look, I got approved my last 3. This is And I was posting, because I post I share my journey with everybody. I post videos of how I'm doing. I talk about what's going on. I'm fully transparent with everything. And yeah, I was talking about this shit, and everybody's like, just walk away, Jay. Just walk away. You're never going to get paid again from Apex. They'll never approve any of your payouts ever again. Why even waste your time? Good thing I didn't listen to them, because I've gotten $1,745 since then in the last week. So I don't care about the denials. It's over. I'm over it. You just keep moving forward. You know what I know? Quitters never win, and winners never quit. They're like, oh, just trade with other prop firms. I do trade with other prop firms. I got this funded take profit trader account of almost $1,500 overall, 100K. I got this. I've got 2 days in on this My Funded Futures 50K starter funded account. I've already gotten paid by My Funded Futures 3 times. Twice, like a couple of weeks ago, like one day after the other. Yeah, this shit, I don't know. Again, this might be support. Look where it bounced. So it bounced like right here, which is what I was afraid of. Right here, this area, these two candles right here. These two candles are a fucking problem. Can I just get below them? GMAT, yeah. Yeah. Santa's always nice. Santa won't be extra nice because of this. But yeah, the payouts are nice. It pays for shit. The payouts pay for shit. My goal is to pay off my fucking tuition. Yeah, November was, yeah, trading wise, yeah, absolutely. Any other time, if this was still, I would have had a $20,000 month from trading, which is insane, would be insane for me. Because my biggest month before that was $6,750 in August. But I've been getting paid every fucking month since May 2nd, except for June. I got paid. I got my first ever payout as a prop firm trader in May. I skipped June. Then I got paid in July, August, September, October, November, and now December. So the habitual payout receiving is a lock now. I've been saying my goal is to become a habitual payout receiver. I got that. That's achieved. That's basically on the norm now. Now the next phase is to get the dollar amounts of payouts, the frequency of payouts, and the dollar amounts to go up. Yeah, I think I'm fucked now. We got like this little double bottom happening here. I think I'm fucked. I should have taken this $100. This is just execution on my part as a scalper. As a scalper, I wanted more though. I was being greedy. Like I wasn't asking for much. But now it's fucked. Nathaniel Jones, what up? Yeah, we're just gonna fucking chop around until that shit comes. I guess I'm only gonna get 2.5 hours of sleep again. Oh, really? Yeah, he had his own option signals program, and then he was also trading. He was doing like copy trading. People would have to give him a big chunk of change, and he would copy trade all of their money together, pull it all together. And then he did an NFT. He launched an NFT and said, and they weren't cheap. They were, thousands. And he said, I'm going to trade. We're going to take this and make it like a crypto hedge fund. And I'm going to share the profits with the NFT owners. That never happened. Just took people's money. And then whatever happened, but they never got money out of it. They never got their money back. And then he pivoted. And then all this weird shit started happening with just signals, paid signals programs in general. People started getting like raided by the feds. He had a partner. He had a partner, and they brought in another partner. Those guys disappeared off the face of the earth a couple of years ago. Ask him where Kevin Trades has been, and fucking Scrubgenics. Never heard from them again. And then he kept the signals thing going for a little while, and then pivoted to prop firms and was trading with Apex, streaming and trading with Apex, and then a few months later he launched Trade Iffy. You know, he was obviously working on it in the, you know, behind the scenes. So, you know, that's why I stayed away from Trade Iffy. Personally. But they seem to be doing okay. They seem to be doing okay. Out of all the new prop firms, they seem to be standing the test of time. Profit Trade couldn't even get 3 months. They couldn't even make it 3 months without running into fucking liquidity issues. HR, what up? See, Nathaniel Jones knows. Is that what happened? But where's Kevin been? You would think that Kevin's like in the witness protection program where he got ratted out. He got ratted on. Bo Vosh, habitual masturbator in the house. Disappeared. You know, and I learned, you know what I learned? What the fuck, man? Come on, just keep going down, you fucking piece of shit. Damn. Just when, like, it looks like something's going to happen good, and then this fucking chop sucks. And then Scrubgenics, they added Scrubgenics, and you know what I learned from, he put out good videos. His channel's still up, but whatever happened, he hasn't made a fucking video since either. He hasn't made a video in like 2 years, 3 years. He put out good teaching content. I learned a lot about like the 300 moving average and the 200 from him. And then I learned a lot about the like levels from Kevin. Kevin was a really good trader. And I learned about the Fibonacci from I learned about the golden pocket from Brett. People, you know, a lot of people don't know about that shit. I do. Nathaniel does. Kevin's last post, what, on anything? On any social media? Yeah, where the fuck did he go? And he just bought a house. I remember he bought a house. Brett lived in Florida. Oh, this is total fucking bullshit. Like, you couldn't just go down a little bit more for me. Yeah, I'm fucked now. I feel like I'm fucked, but I don't know. Maybe I won't be. Maybe I'm not fucked because we're just chopping around. But I have a feeling I'm going to be fucked. Whatever. Fuck this account. Where do I get my pivot points? It's this indicator. It's literally called Pivot Points Standard on TradingView. It's in indicators. Pivot, this one right here. Not made by anybody. This is actually TradingView's Pivot Points indicator. That's crazy. Yeah, and Scrubgenics, he hasn't made a video in the same amount of time. It's like it's almost like I don't know if it's true. Yeah, no problem, Pine Tree. And Brett's cool. I don't hate Brett. I think he's a cool guy. He fucked over people multiple times. His customers. That's all. That's all I'm saying. Maybe he's learned from all that. And he made a promise to himself that he won't ever rug pull anybody ever again. Sounds familiar, right? Maybe he made that promise to himself. Didn't proclaim it on a fucking call. I promise to never rug pull your payouts again. Mr. Varma. But where the fuck is Kevin? Where the fuck is Scrubgenics? Where they at? Yep, Top Frag. What up, Top Frag? We're just having a little fireside chat here about shit. Empire Steve, what's going on? Yeah, that's the other problem. That's why these rules change. That's why all these prop firms are changing the rules. And like, yeah, Top Step, huge news. You could have 10 accounts now. You could have up to 10 funded accounts. But as soon as you get that one live account, you lose all those other accounts. Maybe you could roll all the money into the same account, but I'd rather have 10 funded accounts than one. I don't think so. I don't know, Top Frag. I think you'll be okay. I don't think he's not, it's not all his. I think he has a couple of silent partners that, you know, have good business heads on them. But I don't know. I don't know. It's still early. Like they've only been around for what, 6 months, 7 months? But so far, so good. There's more than we could say about Fast Track, more than we could say about Profit Trade. I think so, HR, or it's coming. I think it's coming, HR. That's what I heard. Yeah, Empire Steve. That's why they make the rules. Like I'm not bashing Apex, but they made these new rules. Look, it's just common sense. Like I'm not bashing them. These would have been approved payouts. Eight of them for $2,000 each in the old rule set. So obviously it's a little harder to get paid now. And they changed it so now there's a buffer. So look at my payouts. They're not 2,000 anymore. I'm cool with this though. I'm cool with getting money. I'm fine with it. These accounts are still like these accounts I could get new payouts from. Like 116 I got paid from already, and now 116 is at I'm fucked. That's what I didn't want to happen. I'm fucked. Like you couldn't just go down a little fucking more for me, you fucking piece of shit. This is my first trade of the day. I could already see how the day's gonna go. I fucking hate. I don't even want to trade this all-time high shit. Fuck this shit. Now we're gonna test the high and make a new high. Like you couldn't just give me a little bit. I just wanted to get it taken out of one. That's all I wanted. Wasn't asking for much. But this account, I already know where this account's going. It's doomed. Probably doomed, and I'm perfectly fine with it. You know why? Because I just got paid for three payouts in the last week. $1,745. I'll be okay if I lose this fucking account. I'll survive. It sucks because this one was at 5,500, but whatever. It is what it is. Part of the process. You're gonna blow accounts, guys. If you don't know it yet, you're gonna blow accounts. I was just looking at some screenshot that someone just sent me. Oh man. Sorry, I got distracted. But yeah, this account, I don't know. This account's fucked. I'm over it. I wasn't asking for much. I had 200 right here. I didn't take it. That's the problem. I fucked up and I had chances to get out here. I think I was up 100 here. And look, it just couldn't get, but look at that. It couldn't get this purple line right here is the 5-minute 21 EMA. It's the 105 on the 1 minute. It's the 5-minute 21. It could not get lower. It could not get below it. It tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times. It couldn't get below it. It wicked a little bit below it here. Yeah, this shit's gonna go up. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. Damn, we got 164 people on the stream right now. Thank you so much, guys. That's a lot. Trader J, don't quote me on it, but that's what I heard. I saw it in my Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord too, by the way, we have a Discord. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. The DGen fam. It's fucking lit in there too, guys. It's fucking dope. If you guys aren't in there, it's fucking crazy in there. Here it is. Here's the Discord. It's free to join. It's free to join. Corey Ratcliffe. What up, Coach Corey? Oh, combines. No, I don't know. I just posted it. Yeah, Trader J, I just posted it. 5X. I don't know. What were they talking about? I don't know. Someone said 10. I don't know. I could be wrong. Like I said, I don't really know too much. I have a Top Step account, but I don't really give a fuck about Top Step all that much. Sammy Roger, I would do at 125. I don't know. At 85, it was a no-brainer, Sammy. At 85, it was a no-brainer. But I do feel like with the new format, well, I don't know. I don't know how you trade. I don't know how long you hold on to accounts for. If you don't think you could hold an account for more than, if you don't think you could hold the account for more than 30 days, and maybe the monthly might be the better option. Bogey down misses the FTT Discord. What up, Snahil? Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Nate. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, man. I hope so. I hope it fucking dumps all over everyone's face so I could get out of this fucking trade and be like, I told you guys. Smash the like button for Marvin. Marvin. He's chilling. He's chilling behind me on the bed. His name is my mom was here, and my dog's name is Harvey, one of my 4 dogs. His name is Harvey, and she was calling him Marvin for like the first day that she was here. And I was telling everybody about it, and fucking that's why GMAT's like, yo, shout out to Marvin. He still calls him Marvin. They did not extend the sale, Matt. Not to my knowledge. Let's see. Let me refresh. I actually tested it because I wanted to grab some accounts and I just ran out of time. And I checked it. Because last time the 80% expired, like a week or two ago, like it was still good for like 2 weeks, even though the countdown expired. And I went to see. I was like, let's see what the 50Ks are on this. It's only 50% right now. It's only 50% off. They might do something else. What up, Amit? Trader J, did you get in? Oh, what you're asking what I would do? Man, I hate when people ask me what I would do. Oh, man, that's a great question. I don't know. I've held on. I've had these accounts. I've had some of these for a little bit. Let's see. So what do I have? What's my lowest account? 113. I've had 113. Well, not really. I've had 113 for like 3 weeks. Oh, man, it's a tough one, bro. I might just wait it out and see if they go back to 85. I don't know if they're going to, though. It's not try with a different device, Trader J. Sometimes if you're using it, trying to get in from your phone, it won't work. But if you try from your computer, it'll work, or vice versa. What would Jay do? Fuck GMAT. Too much pressure. Also, max 10 per month. Okay, Amit. Yo, thanks for clearing that up. So, do you guys see that? What Amit said? It's 5 XFAs to trade max, but you could have 5, then blow. You could blow 5 of them and then have another 5 and blow, and so 10 max per month apparently. Average funded time is 22 days, based on Bowser's statistics. Jay has more PAs than I've had evals. You know who's had a fuck ton of PAs? Fucking Patrick Weiland. Like, I think he's, oh my God, man. Is this going to drag me to fucking 5 o'clock? I'm so fucking annoyed with this fucking trade. I just want to get out of this trade and go to sleep. I can't go to sleep until I get out of this trade. Well, yeah, that's the right question. Just Ain't Right said, What wouldn't Jay do? What wouldn't I do? That's the question. So I don't know, man. I'm sorry, bro. DK, I think I followed it every time. I have no idea. I didn't know I was violating it the other times I got denied. I definitely violated the 30% drawdown rule a couple of times. So Sammy, are you still here, bro? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry I'm stalling on giving you an answer. You still here, Sammy? Yeah, DK. Obviously here, these three, I did not violate any rules, obviously. When they get the improper risk management rule, I don't know exactly what I did, but there were definitely a few that I know for sure that I violated the 30% rule. And then like a couple that got denied, like this one, 115, I violated the 30% consistency rule, but that was because I violated the 30% drawdown rule and then added after I violated, then I DCA'd, and then it turned into a great fucking trade. And I just wanted to request to clear out any of the other violations. So I did, but this one got denied for windfall, breaking the windfall rule. They call it like windfall or whatever. Oh, fuck, Sammy. All right, so dude, Sammy, like I don't know your financial situation, obviously, but we're talking a $20 difference. So I would probably pay $20 more, just in case I keep it for a month. But you got to know yourself. You got to know yourself, man. If you don't think you could hold on to the account for more than 2 weeks, then pay the monthly because it's $20 less. If you think you're going to be able to hold on to the account for more than a month, the 125 is the better option. And it's only $20 more. What's another 20 bucks, bro? You're probably going to piss away 20 bucks on bullshit. Do you have kids? How old are you? Angel Q. Yeah, I know. That's what's happening. That's why I can't get out of this fucking trade. I had it. I had it right here. I had it here. I had it here, and I didn't take it. But we're all hanging out. We're all just breathing and relaxing. You're in your 40s. So, bro, are you still married? Does your wife shop on Amazon? What's another 20 bucks, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, who gives a fuck? Like, I took this screenshot. Like, look at this screenshot I posted. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. I'm fucked. But whatever, I don't even care. So look at this screen. You see all this shit? All this blurred out shit? This is not my OnlyFans subscriptions, okay? I'm joking when I say that. This is just a bunch of shit, random fucking charges. Amazon, Hot Topic, this, that, the other thing. I know my wife is doing some Christmas shopping. Like, you know how money fucking flies out of the account every fucking day with kids. So, you know what I'm saying? But this is the money. But Apex did pay fast. Apex pays Apex does pay their traders, guys. In case you were wondering. They make it a little harder now with the new rules, but hey, I got approved and I got paid the next fucking business day. I got approved yesterday and got paid. The money hit the money was in my account when I hopped on the stream. Yeah, Sammy, I hear you, bro. I hear you, man. But I know for a fact, Sammy, that you're gonna pick $20 is gonna get pissed away on some bullshit that you didn't need to spend 20 bucks on. That has nothing to do with prop firms. But it's up to you, man. Like I said, if you don't think you're gonna hold on to the account for 30 days, it doesn't mean you can't get to a payout. You can still get a payout or two. Well, it depends. Yeah, you can still get a payout. You could get up to 2 payouts in 30 days uh, with a funded Apex account now with the 8 days. And there's no windows. So you could get 2 payouts in 30 days and still blow the account and you'll save 20 bucks. So I don't know. That's up to you, man. Yeah, I know. I'm fucked. Yeah, I'm fucked. This shit is fucked. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? Because this account already, I'm pretty sure I violated the rule. There we go. I don't even care if this account gets blown. I haven't blown a funded account in like a week or two. But I did this on purpose. This I probably violated some sort of rule, and I know if depending on where I get out of this, I'm probably going to be in violation of the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule, the way I interpret it. But I don't even fucking care, to be honest with you. I don't even fucking care. I just want to get out of this fucking trade. This account's either going to get fucking blown, or I'm going to get out of this trade with some green. That's how I'm looking at it now. Then I'll be down to 9. But you know what? I have a funded Take Profit Trader account. That's 10. I have a funded My Funded Futures account. That's 11. I have a funded Trade Day account. That's 12. It's not like I don't have funded accounts. This one, I don't even care about this account. This one has bad juju. After what happened yesterday, I don't want it anymore. Yeah, I mean, AS, it depends on, the situation. I've been holding a bag of XRP for a while. Asian Munda. Oh, douchebag Justin Hertzberg said that. Yeah. Jerk off Justin. Oh, he gave me a shout out, huh? Jerk off Justin gave me a shout out, no doubt. Yeah, Lifetime does take the pressure away. Then you don't feel like you're forced to fucking get to a payout just to, because of the $100. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. You know what you should do, Sammy? Grab a My Funded Futures 50K account, pass it, and don't pay any activation fee. That might be a better option for you. You could pass in one day, and you don't have to pay there's no activation fee with My Funded Futures when you pass evals, expert or starter. That might be the better option for you. $80. It's more, right? It's a lot more. But I think you might already. Oh, Sammy, bro. My bad, bro. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to. Don't fade Sammy, guys. Don't fade him. You might still get it. I just want to get the fuck out of this trade. Watch. You know what's funny? It's going to fucking flush now. Couldn't look. We tested the highs. Couldn't quite get there. Let's see. We need to get lower than this. Let's see if it could get fucking lower than this. If it could go to the bottom of this chop zone, I will be getting out of this fucking trade. Yeah, Asian Monday. Yeah, I'm in profit. I don't think it's done. I don't even care. Like I've been sitting on that shit for so long. I don't even care that it's at like $2 or $3, right? It went up to almost $3. I don't even care. I'm holding it for longer. They said $40 by the year 2073. That's what I'm holding out for. Maybe it comes early. All right, give me this. Come on, fucking dump. Take me out of half. Can you give me half? Can you give me half? You fucking piece of shit. Let's go. Take me out of half. Oh my God. Why won't it give me what I want? Take me out of half, you fuck. Pine Tree. Couldn't go to sleep because the market just wouldn't move. 4 minis on personal, definitely. Yeah, on a personal account, you ain't sleeping until you get the fuck out of that trade, bro. And I'm doing this on some bullshit account that really, in reality, cost me what? It cost me $33.40 plus 85. And I'm fucking not going to sleep. It's crazy the psychological fucking hold that these prop firms have over us. But I want what I want. I want what I want. Come on. Fucking do it already. Holy fuck. What was my original entry? 321? No. A 416. Look, I had an order. that would have been bad. I did have could you imagine? Come on. Just a little bit more. Look at this. It's like fucking torturing the shit out of me. Holy fuck. Just take me out of half. So I got in. My first one was at 416. Take me out of half. This might be a violation of the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but I don't even care. I just want to fucking. Oh my god, you got to be fucking kidding me. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, give it to me. Give me more. Give me more. Come on. Oh my god. Now it's the 200 right, the 21 right there is a problem. Drop. Drop. Dump into the new hour. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. Oh my god, it just won't. The 20. Look at how strong. Look, we came to the 21 how many times? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It just can't fucking get lower than it. I know what's gonna happen though. I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna take me out here and then it's gonna fucking dump. We did it, Joe. We did it. Do not come, Fred. We did it, Fred. Yo, I am not gonna be awake till the market open. I'm getting the fuck out of here as soon as I get out of this trade. As much as I want to hang out with you guys, obviously, but I need to get some sleep. I need to get some sleep. We did it, Joe. Yeah, that's you don't know that meme, D? When they won in 2020, they had this like video of Kamala fucking calling him, pretending to call him on the phone, saying, We did it, Joe. And she's like fucking with her hair. So we just it's a meme. It's a meme now. I'm just gonna take this. Oh my god, flush. Where's Pandal? Where's Pandal at? We're still in this fucking zone though. It doesn't I added up here. That's why I fucking lucked out. Yeah, net bobber, man. I don't know. I don't know. I thought about it, man. That's a lot. I have too much shit going on. Like on a day-to-day basis, like outside of this for me to be able to do that. I'm always fucking running and gunning. Is that it? We're finally below the 5-minute 21. Can we fucking drop some more? Look, I'm getting greedy now. Now I'm getting fucking greedy. But look where we're at. You see this? We bounced off of this level so many times already. Can we get below that shit? Then if we get below that, then the next level is like right around here. I'll do that. I'll trim. I'll take another one off. Oh yeah, give it to me. Come on, do it. Do it for the stream. Pandel's not here anymore. Damn. He still might be right. Like, oh shit. Oh, we did it, Joe. Oh, we did it. A new hour dump. I'm finally getting what I want. Yeah, hit it. Hit it. Keep going. Get down there, you fuck. Get me the fuck out of here. Let's go. Give me what I want. Give me my fucking money, son. Give me. We did it, Joe. What up, investors? Come on, baby. Hit it. Hit that fucking shit. No. Get back down there. I'm okay with that though. I'm okay with it. But I would love to get taken out here because this was my original fucking place I wanted to get taken out, like right around this area. Look what it bounced off of. Look. Well, this is the wick. Damn, come on, yo. Give it to me. Let's go. I've been in this trade for a fucking hour. Oh my God, it's gonna happen. It's happening, guys. It's happening. It's happening. Oh my God. Bullinox has less rules, but they just added a new rule. They have an inconsistent position sizing rule now. Sound familiar? Apex was the first one to do that. Now Bullinox is doing it. They also won't let you copy trade. There's some weird copy trading rule. Oh my God, just fucking hit it already. Let's go. Do it for the stream. Do it for the fucking stream. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. I don't know what's going to happen now. Last minute, I'm going to get taken out here. That's okay. It was right there. Fine with me. It was right there. What a trade. It was, I could have, now it's going to hit it. I'm fine. We did it, Joe. $487. We did it. Gained weight. Do not come. I'm going to come down and hit you take profit. Anubis. Yeah, top of hour, GMAT. Yup, that's why that happened. If I had another minute or two, I would have been fine. It would have taken me out of everything, but that's okay. Look, I'm up 487 now. I turned lemons into lemonade, baby. I turned lemons into lemonade. This account's got a long way to go before it's back to where it was, but whatever. I'll grow it, I guess. I was perfectly fine with fucking nuking it. Thank you, gain weight. It took an hour. It probably is going back up. Yeah, I mean, look, it went up. Like I needed. Yeah, it bounced off it. Basically, it couldn't get below this wick right here. Interesting, right? That's the shit that I've been noticing a lot lately. I see this shit. I'm like, damn, there's fucking levels all over the place. You just know which level it's going to be. Yeah, Fred. Yeah, I had to add though. I did add here because I got a little nervous. I said, fuck it. It's testing the high. Fuck it. I'll add here, and I doubled up on the position. But even still, like my original entry was 416. So I got taken out of the last two at 411 and 411 75 and 411 25. So that was a good trade anyway. And then this one was just a great trade. Watch it come down and hit it now, but whatever. I don't care. I'm good. Yo, Sammy, you still here, bro? Were you here when I said you just get a fucking... I think if you're asking me, you're already locked in with some Apex accounts. But I'm gonna say maybe next time get a My Funded Futures account because there's no activation fee. If you're still here, bro. I don't know if you're still here. There he is. What up, Sammy? You know what I'm saying, bro? If you already have Apex accounts, I get it. What up, V33? I have traded the New York Open and I fucking hate it. We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it, D. It's gonna come and take me out now, you fucking piece of shit. If I had it still. Whatever. Yeah, so Sammy, maybe like it seems like you already have some Apex evals that you may have already passed. But maybe next round through, grab. I mean, the My Funded Futures accounts are more expensive, but if you pass, you got to do the math always. Do the math. Figure out, your pass rate at this point. Like you've been doing this long enough. I don't know what it is. Let's say your pass rate's 28%, right? or let's say it's 25%, so 1 out of 4. With my funded futures, if you're 1 out of 4, it's going to cost you $320 to have a funded account with a 50K starter at the full price. If you get the discount, 76 times 4 is 228. Oh, that's 3. 76 times 4 is 304. Then you do the math. Is it cheaper? Based on that, like that's how you want to do it. And then you also want to take into consideration, do the rules of the prop firm, are they conducive for you? Are they, does your trading style, can you adjust your trading style to the different rules of the prop firm? Can you adjust? Or if you can't adjust and you locked into a certain way of trading, does it work well with that prop firm's rules? And that's the other thing you got to take in consideration, because what if you run into the same situation that I run into and you just keep getting denied because of how my trading style is? I had to make some adjustments. So far, so good. It doesn't mean I won't get it denied again. So you got to keep all that into consideration with all this shit. Sammy Rogers. So yeah. So there it is. And if you're willing to put up with this, right? If you're willing to put up with the potential of this happening to you, I don't think it's going to happen to you as much. Like, I don't know if you trade as loose as I do. I trade like I was at a couple of Diddy parties too many sometimes. News in 11 minutes. What up, Tony Gold? Pine Tree, be good, bro. I'll see you later. Yeah, so that's like, that's all the shit you want to keep, for anybody watching, you want to take into consideration when you're trying to figure out which prop firm to fuck with. And then like, you got all these straight to funded prop firms now. Like, is it really cheaper? Maybe you save yourself a couple of days. Is it really that much cheaper to have a straight to funded account? And then a lot of like trade iffy. Even my funded futures, the milestones, the consistency rule is 20%, man. That's tight. 20% consistency rule on trade iffy and my funded futures milestone. I need more than 20%. I have trouble, but then again, like, it's not that bad, but you gotta, it's tight. Yeah, I gotta go to sleep. I can sit and hang out with you guys all fucking day, but I can't. I gotta go to sleep because I'm expecting a phone. I have a phone call that I'm expecting in 5 hours. What time did I say? Fuck. This looks like it might drop. Yeah, I have a call. I have a call in 5 hours. I have to get on a call with somebody in 5 hours, a business call. So I'm setting my alarm for 9:07 and 9:21. So I'm gonna get maybe 4 hours of sleep if I'm lucky, and it's gonna be less than that because my dog's gonna start fucking around at like 8 o'clock, 8:30. I already know how that's gonna fucking play out. Well, Sammy, you just got denied. Well, join the club, man. But just know that there's hope, bro. Just make the adjustment. Make the adjustment. Get eight. Really, all you need is 5 clean days, and you could flip the other 3. 5 clean days of $50 or more, and then flip the other 3, and you should be good. That was what I've always was hearing. The best part is you still have the account, so just keep trading it. Yeah, 20% is hard, Steve. 20% is real hard. Yeah, the 5 to yeah, Sammy. I think that's how it works. I was trying to break it down the other day, and like I said, like with that rule, like you talk to 10 people, you'll get 10 different answers. So no one's really sure, but it does seem a lot like that. Like if you go down 200 and you get out of the trade for less than $40, I think that's the violation. You got to come out $41 or more to not violate that rule if you went down $200 in the trade. I think that's how it works. I don't know. Then people are talking about where you put your stops. I don't put fucking stops. I didn't put a stop in until I was green. I added, but whatever. I don't even really add all that much. I just did it with this account because I don't give a fuck about it anymore. Like I fully expect this. First of all, I have to get this thing to I need to get this to $6,910 in profit before I can even request a payout, because I violated the 30% consistency rule. I had a day, I did 2,072 in one day. Claudine. I don't know, Claudine. The intel I had was just request, get denied, and get a clean set of 8 days. But what's the worst that could happen, Claudine? Do that. Do the last thing you said, right? Add another day, and so you have 8 clean days and request. And what's the worst that could happen? You lost a day. You still have the account. You still have the balance. You know what I mean? It's not the end of the world. It sucks, right? We all know it sucks. I'm not fucking saying it's great. This sucks. Because a month ago, these were all payouts. But hey, I'm making the adjustment, and look, despite what the popular opinion was to walk away because fuck Apex and all this bullshit, good thing I didn't listen, right? Good thing I fucking good thing I'm a persistent motherfucker, you know. And now I got $1,745 after all this happened. So just, you know what I'm saying? Like, give yourself the extra day if you want. You know what I mean? Do it. What's the worst that could happen? You get denied anyway? Whatever. Exactly, Fred. Some people can't make the adjustment. Some people just say, fuck it. I get it. I get the frustration. But if I would have thrown in the towel and said, fuck it, because this was happening, and if I listened to people telling me that they're never going to pay me again, then this wouldn't have happened. This is all that matters, right? This is all that matters. Yeah, there are other prop firms that you could trade, and this shit like this wouldn't have happened. We get it. I get it. But not most of them aren't $115 all in from, weren't. Top Step, yeah, that wouldn't have happened in Top Step. But you know what? It's $200 fucking dollars for a 50K minimum. If you pass 1 for 1, if your pass rate is 100%, it's still $200. What up, Joe? Oh, I haven't seen you in a while. Is this the Joe that's used to hang out on my streams? Jamila, I know. Slade, bro. But you wanted to go short. You should have went in. Did you go short? It did bounce right off a 408 because this was the level. Like this wick right here, all of this. I wanted a little bit more, but hey, we did it, Joe. We did it. I got out of the trade plus 487. I don't need to trade this account anymore. I might though. I got a lot of work to do. I have to trade 9 other funded accounts. I have to trade my funded top Take Profit Trader account. I have to trade my funded futures account. So I got my work cut out for me. No doubt, Joe. Great to see you, man. I'm hopping off though. Nothing a little DCA can't fix. And I don't want a DCA. That was one of the adjustments I made. But in this case, I just felt like it was the right thing to do. So I did. Ooh, lower high. Be dropping? I don't know. I'm not trading anymore. I'm done. I got to go to bed. Oh, man. Did you have it checked off? I've done that before. Was it checked off? Sometimes it's not checked off. But yeah, Joe, man, great to see you, bro. You had the gout? What's my size now? I'm a grower, not a shower. Oh, what are we talking about here? Oh, normally it's 2. With Take Profit, with Apex, I'm always getting in 2 minis. That's like my thing. D, it's a Transformers t-shirt. The retro Transformers. It's one of my pajama shirts. That's yeah. Jamila. Oh man. Jamila's always there for me. Always there for me and my stupid corny jokes. Yeah, Slade, that's happened to me before. Sammy, be good, man. Yeah, guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. AS. Stop it. You're hurting my feelings. You're hurting my feelings, and I'm gonna fucking spiral out of control if you keep making fun of me. Oh my god. I gotta get the fuck off, guys. I'm gonna go. I gotta go get my magnifying glasses. I gotta use the restroom. What up, Ray? Zero up. Don't Ray Renier, don't make fun of me. Stop making fun of me. Stop it. I'm such a dick. I'm sorry. I can't help myself. I'm a dick. What are you gonna do? Anyway, guys, only because I've been provoked to be a dick. Only when I'm provoked. Uh-oh, I think my daughter's up. My daughter has work at Starbucks. Yeah. Oh my God, AS. Yeah. Just donate to the fast track legal team and then show everybody that you did to make yourself feel better that you promoted that shit. Oh man, it's too fucking easy, bro. Dude, AS. That's why me and you, bro. I'm telling you, man. We're on the same wavelength with that type of shit. Oh shit. Gotta save face. But I'm the asshole because I promote Apex. Because I trade with Apex and tell people, hey, if you're gonna grab some Apex accounts, use the best code in the world, ZERODAYJay. Anyway, you guys are fucking funny. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go to sleep. One of my kids is already up. She's getting ready to go to work. Yeah. Well, you know what happened, Ray? Tron coin went up like 97% yesterday. TRX. Remember when everybody was giving him their live Tron savings to fucking get accounts? Tron, I bet he still has a fuck ton of Tron. That shit fucking pumped yesterday. All of the altcoins are taking turns pumping right now. And Tron went up to like 43 cents. That shit was trading at like 7 cents when Fast Track was when everybody was slobbing on Scott's knob. A lot of the affiliates that donated to Fast Track legal fund after getting their commissions. Oh man, I gotta go because I'm gonna get myself into trouble. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. We got to find out if Trevor L is Trevor LeConte on the Top Step leaderboard. I got to find out. Remind me if he comes on later. Yeah, no Lake House. That thing's broken. I got to restart my Chrome. It stopped working. Maybe I'll be if I restart Chrome, maybe I'll be hanging out at the Lake House later. But not even him. It's not Ray. It's not even that. It's not even him. I think he did donate, and he's cool. I like him. I think he's cool. I think Kyle's cool. I don't have anything against him, but it wasn't even him. You got to be in the Discord. Join the Discord, guys. 12 million in BTC. Yeah, he's chilling, bro. He's living the life. Join the Discord. It gets kind of fun in there sometimes. It's the best Discord on the prop firm streets. But anyway, guys, I got to bounce for real. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll see you guys I'll be on for Power Hour for sure. I'll talk to you soon. Be careful with with all the news coming out. Where's my fucking restream? Oh, there it is. All right, guys. I'm out. Peace.